Cornerstone Garden, and I noticed that they had this really nice metal edging that edges all of their pathways that go through the entire garden. And this is the kind of edging that I always specify for my landscape designs, because it hides perfectly level with the sod and with the gravel that's inside of the pathway, and so you can't really see it. It's not these big pavers, or it's not plastic edging. Plastic edging tends to wear out in the sun. It's brittle after a while, and it also is very brittle when you're weed whacking next to it and cutting it with a lawnmower. This is much more sturdy. This is actually a steel edging. They have aluminum, which I think is a little easier to work with. It's a little more flexible, but this is definitely a little more heavy duty than the aluminum is. And you can see how nice the edge is, how smooth the curve is, and how nicely this is kept out on the grass is kept out on the edge, and how easy it is to edge up against it. Of course, you can see they have not used pea gravel. They did a good job on that. They use a very small limestone aggregate, which is perfect. It's not going to roll as much as a pea gravel, and so it stays contained within this aluminum edging. So if you're questioning what kind of edging to put, the plastic is less expensive, but definitely in the long run, this is going to give you the best look in your landscape and garden.